Go HighLevel has been an awesome tool for me. The onboarding experience has been the best software I have ever purchased in my life. And honestly, the more that I'm using it, the more I'm loving it. I found it to be extremely intuitive to get the hang of, to know how to set it up within a few minutes. It's really been amazing, all of the different features, and I'm going to be able to save so much money. And the cool thing is they actually work. I literally just spent the last 6 months of my life learning how to automate these tools and try to create my own custom versions, only to find out that Go HighLevel has all of this built in, all in one platform. So I don't have to use complicated APIs or integrations or automation workflows. None of that. It's all right there within one platform, one tool. I just absolutely love it. My favorite features are the is a unified inbox to have all that chaos and the messages from all these different angles all in one place with my team and I. I'm amazed, and I honestly I've heard so many people talk how great Go HighLevel is over the last years, but I've stubbornly been like, nope, I'm not going to pay attention. But I'm so glad I did. I wish that I started sooner.